Hi, dear artists, art students, and art lovers. I am sculptor Guru Prasad Ayyappan from Rishikesh Art Gallery, Kollam. Today, I discuss about the attitude of society against the understanding and enjoyment of painting and sculptures in art galleries. More than 99% of people in the society believes all work of art have full of mystery. So they and their children keep a distance from the art galleries. What is the reality? Any work of art have no mystery. Mystery create in viewer's mind. Really, work of art are very simple and understanding. It give many different type of feelings. The feeling connected with the viewer's mind setting. Viewers study, knowledge, experience, education, social awareness, and genetic contents are supporting for the creative feelings. Anyone spend more time with the work of art, they got more feeling. The communication with the viewers and the work of art are very important. Always the art experience give creativity and humanity. Many people ask about the meaning of work of art. Really, the meaning of work of art are feeling only. If you see a sunrise or a sunset or a bunch of flower, you will get a good feeling. But we cannot fully explain the feeling with words. Like that, the painting and the sculptures give different type of feelings. It cannot fully explain in words. Society must understand the power of art. In our daily life, connected with the different type of art, we cannot avoid the art from our life. All initial designs of any object in our home or society came from the artist's mind. From design of pen to design of satellite are the creation of an artist. Exhibited painting and sculptures in art galleries are pure stage of art. Art will change our life and society. Art is the only one mechanism to develop civilized society. Art will guide the children to the success life. Thank you.